Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically cancel high risk orders using a Shopify Flow. So for this, we are using the Shopify Flow app from Shopify App Store, and you can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount at the Shopify App Store today. So after installing the app, so you come to the workflow section or the Flow app. You open the app and you come to the main section. So in Shopify app, everything is called workflows. So you can create a new workflow. So I already created the workflow for cancel high orders. So I'll explain what I created. So Shopify has a thing, check the order risk analysis. So the trigger is when any order is placed, then it will check its order risk analysis. Then Shopify has three values, which is order risk level, which is equal to high, which is equal to low, or which is equal to medium. So if it's equal to high, then what we'll be doing is we'll add an order tag. So high risk orders, that's how you can just give high risk cancelled, right? So it's an example. Then what we'll do is we'll make this order as cancelled. It will automatically cancel the order and send a message to the customer, refund, or that type of thing we can do. And we also do one more thing. Any next time they try to order, you can easily take that customers. So you'll give a tag for this customers, and also you can send an internal email to your particular team members. You can give the email ID here. Then you can send subject order name, it's cancelled due to high risk. Then that type of thing you can also internally manage it. So this will be one thing you can actually make difference in your store. And one problem is if the order risk is not proper, that will be one loss for you. So test for 1 or 2 days and understand how Shopify is canceling. Then you can just follow the flow. Then that should be helpful. So one more thing is you can take this flow from the browse templates. So search for cancel high risk orders. Then it's loading. So you can see cancel high risk orders. That particular flow is in this section. So you can install it and you can make it active. Then it will be easier for you. If you're finding this video helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Happy selling.